You can see the building envelope is pretty much, almost done at this point. It's all insulated, it's ready to go. We've got our framing done. We got one more inspection till final, which is awesome. So it's drywall day here. We're getting all the drywall delivered. We finished our insulation inspection, and now we're going to go ahead and start the finishing stage of the project, which is awesome. It's a great place to be. GTS here is delivering all this stuff. We're going to wait till it's over there and stationary, because it's dangerous when he's moving it like that. Yeah, they'll get pissed if you walk over there while it's... So originally we were kind of upset that we had to change the window size, but it actually helped because we were able to fly all these materials in through the window, including the sheets of drywall. Because if you see the old size window right here, it wouldn't have fit through there. But now that we have the larger one, it fits. So it all worked out in the end. Okay, so now we have all these sheets here, which is awesome. We got them all delivered. It saved us a ton of manpower and labor having to hump them all in here. There's 60 down here, 60 up top. You can see we got all the insulation in. That's all this fuzzy stuff on the walls. And we're ready to move on to the finishing part of the job. So, for some reason, I guess it's a new energy code, they had us put in this foam above all the headers, and which is kind of cool. I mean, I guess it helps with the energy rating of the home and kind of helps keep the draft out. And really, it just gives us that energy, the energy credits that we were looking for. We had to have, I think it was 3 energy credits here. So we have a tankless water heater. We have a sealed perimeter of the building. You can see all this caulking here. That gives us another point. And then we have the R rating, the value of the slab, that insulation. So that insulation, in conjunction with the insulation that's underneath this, this concrete, and the fact that the building is sealed right here, that gives us all the points. Also, we have a energy efficient water heater. So this will be the bathroom here. We have, a nice shower with a pull down sprayer. We'll have a tub here, obviously. There'll be some tile on the floor. We'll do a nice little vanity right here. And, there'll be like a sconce light here. Here we got all our mud, all our supplies for mudding and taping this thing. We're gonna get this thing hung in the next couple of days, right after we pass the insulation inspection. You can see the building envelope is pretty much, almost done at this point. It's all insulated, it's ready to go. We've got our framing done. We got one more inspection till final, which is awesome, with the exception of the deck. And yeah, this will be it. So now we have the siding on. It's this hardy plank siding. It's like a lap. And we have the windows in. We have pretty much everything done on these 2 sides, with the exception of this side, because we still have to do something to the deck. But we wanted to waterproof the building and kind of keep it sealed up before it started raining, because it's about to start raining here. As you know, it rains a lot here in Washington, so